Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the PayPal app to link credit cards securely step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. If you're using an Android device, open Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type PayPal. Press the search icon to initiate the search. Locate the official PayPal app in the search results. Ensure it has the PayPal logo for authenticity. Tap on the app to open its page. Once on the app page, look for the Install button. Tap Install to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If you already have a PayPal account, tap Login. Enter your email and password, then tap Login again. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After logging in, navigate to the Wallet section within the app. Look for the option to link a card or add credit card. Tap on that option to proceed. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check the information for accuracy before continuing. Once confirmed, tap Link Card or Add Card to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message once your card is successfully linked. Review your wallet to ensure the card appears correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the PayPal app and linked your credit card securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.